Hello everybody. Today I'm going to use a real Excel example to create a formula using a combination of logical functions and text functions. In this problem I was asked to create a formula to check the name in column A and result yes or letter Y in the if the name is existing in column B. The solution would be very simple in case that column A and column B formats are consistent. But as you see here, in column A, names are written in first name, last name format separated by a space, while in column B, the format is totally different, which is starting by last name, comma, space, first name, another space, and some text between two brackets. I'll solve this problem in easy 4 steps. The first step is to extract last name from column B. The second step is to extract first name. The third step is to combine first name and last name. And the final step is to write an if formula to check if the name here is existing in column B. So let us go for step number 1. How to extract the last name here? Last name here is Buck, B-U-C-K. So we will use the function left. So equal left. The text is B2 and number of characters Buck, 4 characters. Okay. So this is the last name. But the last name is not exactly 4 characters. Sometimes 5, sometimes more. Cooper, Costa. Okay, so we need another formula to result the number of characters in the last name. So I'll use another formula equal find text, comma, within text B2, starting number 1. So this function will search for comma in cell B2 starting from first character. So the comma here is existing in 5. We don't need 5, we need 4. So -1. So this is the number we need to extract the number of characters from left. So we are going to modify the left formula, delete 4, and paste find, comma, B2, comma, 1 minus 1. Enter. Here is the last name. The first name formula is little bit difficult, so first name we'll keep this here. So first name equal MID, the function MID, MID equal MID. So text is here B2, starting from number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Starting from number 7. For Ken is 3 characters. Okay. So Ken. So every time we will not count from the 7th character and will not use only 3 characters. So it is not always Ken. How to correct that? We need a formula another function to get the place of comma space after comma space. So equal find the same one here, but not -1 +1 means comma. After the comma there is a space, and after the space there is the first character of the first name. So minus plus 2. So this is number 7. So copy, and instead of 7, see the effect here. Okay, the start is good, start is right, but the end is not right. It is not only 3 characters, means the last name characters are not identical. So we need another formula to get number 3, or the till the space, as you see here, can space. Similar formula to here, find, but instead of comma, this bracket. So this bracket is in number 13. Okay, and we need number 3. So how to get number 3 here? Number of first name characters. So it should be 13 minus 7 minus 3. Okay, so replace F2 by this F2. We'll replace E2 by this one. Copy. Okay. E2. Okay. We should put 2 brackets. So it is 3. This is the length of first name. Copy this formula to here instead of 3. Okay, so back Ken and back on done. Okay, some formulas here has extracted also the middle name, and this is right so far. If you compare here, let us take Ceciline David, find here CC, sorry, C, okay, David and Ceciline. So we create, this is step number 3, which is, we don't need this anymore. Okay, concatenate, we need Ken Buck. So first name, the comma, space, comma, and this cell. So let us see the result, Ken Buck. Okay, so Ken Buck, let us see how it is written here. Control F, Ken Buck, perfect. as you see here, D2 and C2, we will copy the D2 here, the formula in D2 should give the same result. C2 as well for the last name. C2. Okay. We don't need so many columns, so I replace the D2 and C2 by their formulas in order to reduce the number of columns, so we don't need this anymore. Control minus. So this is the name in the same format of E. So this is the name of cell in C2. This is the name of B2 in the format of A2. Okay. The final step is the F formula. How we'll create the F formula? Let us check first count if range and criteria. The range would be column C, whole column. Criteria would be A2. Close. It will result 1. 1 means it is existing one time. It is existing once in the column C. Okay. Drag the formula. So 0. 0 means it is not existing, means it is not existing in column C. Okay, this is a simple COUNTIF formula. Copy. If brackets, if logical test, value if true, value if false. So we need, if value is 1, the formula will result letter Y. Okay, so this is our logical test. If it is equal 1, the value of true is Y, and the value of false blank. Okay, check here. COUNTIF CC A2 equal 1, true. If true, the formula will result Y. If it is not true, will result blank. Okay. So here is the formula, and this is the result. Now let us summarize what we have used today for this solution. We used text functions and logical functions. The text function used left, MID find, and concatenate. The logical functions we used COUNTIF and if. Thank you very much for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Also feel free to comment if you have any inquiry about Microsoft Excel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.